The matter regarding reservations in promotions was considered by a 9-judge bench of this court in Indra Sahni versus Union of India, 1992. Supplementary 3, SCC 217, which was a judgment rendered on 15/11/1992. The court specifically held that the reservation under Article 16(4) of the Constitution of India is confined to initial appointment and cannot extend to reservation in the matters of promotion. In order to nullify the effect of the aforesaid dicta, there was an amendment to Article 16 by Constitution Act with effect from 17/6/1995. While this amendment after clause 4A was reinserted in Article 16 of the Constitution, which was couched in the following language: nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for reservation in matters of promotion to any class or classes of post in the services under the state in favor of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, which in the opinion of the state are not adequately represented in the service under the state. Clause 4 of Article 16 is worded as follows: nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any backward class of citizens, which in the opinion of the state is not adequately represented in the services under the state. The constitutional position on the injunction of Clause 4A is that the state is now empowered to make provision for reservation in the matter of promotions as well in favor of SC and ST wherever the state is of the opinion that SCs and STs are not adequately represented in the service under the state. Nevertheless, it is only an enabling provision which empowers the state to make any provision for reservation for SC and ST candidates in the matter of promotion as well. In order to complete the historical narration of facts, it becomes necessary to mention that after the aforesaid amendment, a question had arisen as to whether a person in SC or ST category who gets accelerated promotion because of reservation would also get consequential seniority in the higher post if he gets that promotion earlier than his senior in general category. The court answered this question in the case of Union of India and others, etc. versus Veerpal Singh Chauhan and others, 1995 6 SCC 684, holding that such an employee belonging to SC/ST category on promotion would not get consequential seniority and his seniority will be governed by the panel position. This led to another constitution amendment and the Parliament enacted Constitution Act 2001, whereby Clause 4A of Article 16 was amended. amended clause 4A reads as under. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for reservation in matters of promotion with consequential seniority to any class or classes of post in the services under the state in favor of the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes which, in the opinion of the state, are not adequately represented in the services under the state. Yeah.